Bruh.
I'm recording!
Your mom's gonna watch that.
Hey guys, it's Wes Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm making my own front bumper for my 370Z. I'm going to show you guys how I designed the bumper from drawing it to now putting it on the car. To get started with this body kit build, I first had to draw out my design, and thankfully I already had this planned out a while ago and I knew what to draw. I really liked the first generation Nismo body kit and the Vicres bumper, but I wanted to add my own style to it. This video is going to be part 1 of the body kit build because of how long the process takes and because of my school schedule. I also want to be clear that the bumper I'm creating in this video is a plug. It's a representation of the finished product, however I'm going to create a mold out of it to reproduce fiberglass and carbon fiber body kits. I finished with the drawing. I didn't really take my time on this one because I really wanted to rush it because I have work later. But I like that I added the daytime running lights design, unlike in my first one. And I really like this one too, and it's most likely going to be this shape more than this. Let me know what you guys think about this rear bumper, because I think it looks too OEM and I kind of want to change it up more. But give me your guys' opinion and let me know what you guys think about that splitter and the diffuser. Let me know what you guys think about the front bumper design. I think this one looks way better. This one looks way better, but you know what? Almost forgot to record. Alright guys, this is what I got so far. I've cleared out the middle section for the air dam, and I think it looks really good. Like, I'm just staring at this makes me so motivated to start working on it more. I'm really excited, but I gotta wait for this to dry out because it looks like it's still having a chemical reaction. But regardless of that, I had to put on a little bit more expanding foam to create this lip I want all the way across, just to be a little bit bigger, and then I'll be able to sand it down more and cut out more. Never thought I'd be able to use a knife for this project, but alright.
This is actually real crazy. I can't believe I'm like doing this sometimes. Like, you know what I mean?
How do I delete things off my camera? What is up, guys? It's a brand new day, and I'm beginning on the front bumper again. I just went to the store and I just picked up some expanding foam to fill up this lip at the bottom. I taped down the floor with some paper that I found around. I don't know. I'm just making this stuff up as I go along, you know. I plan on making it go out a little bit more down here because I like where the front's at. I just gotta continuously shave it down more, and then it should be a proper size because right now it's uneven and everything. But anyways, I'm gonna start working on this and applying foam. So. Hey guys, alright, so update real quick. I put down the foam and I think it looks really good, but I just gotta keep sanding down. That's the thing. I just keep shredding, cutting, sanding, repeat the last, few hours. That's the only thing I've been doing. And I'm almost there with the foam stage, but this is just still the beginning. Like, I still have to put down the fillers, everything else, and I finally added these in because I didn't know where to mark them because, it's still not fully proportional. Like, I still haven't measured this even out with the ruler. Like, you can tell down the line it's a little bit uneven, but that's okay because it's going to be covered with filler anyways. But right now, I'm just trying to get the basic shape while trying to have a solid plug for a mold. It's a new day. I'm about to start working on the bumper again.
back? Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. Cause I know you.
Alright, it's a new day and me and my homie Josh are double teaming this bumper.
Your secrets to my grave. Cause you are the only one. Cause you are the only one. The only one. Cause you are the only one. The only one.
Oh, alright. You ready?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Did he just down
Dude,
that?
the cripple just downed me.
Wait, I want to try.
Oh my god.
I'm next to the bumper.
Get away from your car.
I'm not gonna do this though. I'm not gonna do this. I'll chug it as fast as I can. How about that?
I don't think this is a good idea. Hold up.
Are you
I'm
embarrassed?
I'm regretting my decisions.
Hold the top right here, and just smash it into your mouth and just drink.
Bruh.
Oh no!
Oh, Bro, are you okay? Bro,
That's footage right there.
Oh my god. That was hilarious. You couldn't breathe. He couldn't breathe.
No.
That was hilarious. I wonder if that's how like David Dobrik feels like every time he sees something crazy happen. He's like, oh my god, footage. So right now we're just sanding down the Bondo on the car, and I'm adding more drywall so I can fill it in, because right now it's uneven from the left side to the right side, which is my fault, and I'm pretty stupid. plug on the bumper so I could create the molds and make my front bumper. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up please, and subscribe to me if you haven't. Next video should be out pretty soon, and I am so excited to show you guys the next color too. It's not gonna